Today, we'll explore the life of one of the most talked-about individuals of our era, a leader who served as the 45th U.S. president and built a vast real estate empire. His journey is full of challenges, unexpected turns, and intriguing stories. We'll discover how a boy from Queens transformed into a wealthy business figure, nearly lost everything, but made a strong comeback. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tap the bell button so you won't miss any of our videos. Donald John Trump was born in Queens, New York, on June 14, 1946. He was the fourth of 5 children. His father, Fred Trump, was a successful real estate developer, and his mother, Mary Ann McLeod. Trump was a homemaker. Growing up, Trump often watched his father run the family's construction business, which greatly impacted his future career. The Trump family lived well, but Fred and Mary Ann ensured their kids understood the value of hard work and responsibility. Trump, full of energy and determination, often found himself in trouble. For example, he once argued with a teacher over how to complete an assignment, which led to a conflict and school punishment. Not to overlook this behavior, his parents enrolled him in the New York Military Academy at age 13, thinking that the strict discipline there might channel his energy more positively. While at the academy, Trump gained a sense of discipline and excelled in sports. He became the baseball team captain, which helped him build leadership and teamwork skills, qualities that would prove valuable in his future business career. Another key event that shaped Trump's character was the experience of his older brother, Fred. Fred was a gifted pilot with many traits that earned him the admiration of the family. Sadly, Fred battled alcoholism, which eventually caused his premature death. This heartbreaking loss left a lasting impression on Trump, prompting him to steer clear of alcohol. He has maintained this choice throughout his life. After finishing at the military academy, Donald Trump started at Fordham University, but soon transferred to the Wharton School of Business at the University of Pennsylvania. There, he earned a degree in economics, focusing on finance and real estate. Even then, he was good at spotting financial opportunities and promising investments. In 1968, after graduating, he joined his father's company, Elizabeth Trump and Son. He quickly made an impact. His first big project was renovating the Swifton Village apartment complex in Cincinnati, Ohio. He bought this failing property for $5.7 million, turned it into a success, and sold it a few years later for $6.75 million. This achievement inspired him to grow the family business further. In 1971, he relocated to Manhattan, where he saw huge opportunities. His big career break came with the renovation of the Commodore Hotel. In the mid-1970s, this once famous hotel had fallen into poor condition, just like many other buildings in downtown New York. Trump saw this as a chance rather than a problem. In 1976, he made a deal with New York City to get a rare 40-year tax break in return for fixing up the hotel. Many people thought the project would fail, but Trump was confident. He completely revamped the hotel, turning it into the luxurious Grand Hyatt Hotel. The hotel was a huge success when the renovation was finished in 1980. The Grand Hyatt became a top choice for tourists and business people in Manhattan. It symbolized New York's revival and earned Trump a bold and creative developer reputation. This success helped him access more loans and attracted many investors to his projects. He quickly became a major player in the New York real estate market. After the success of the Grand Hyatt, Trump embarked on a bigger project, Trump Tower. This 58-story skyscraper on Fifth Avenue became a symbol of luxury and success. Completed in 1983, it featured high-end apartments, office spaces, and shops. The building's unique design and top-quality materials made it a top address in New York. He continued with other major projects, including Trump Plaza, a 39-story tower on East 61st Street, Trump Park, the former Barbizon Plaza Hotel converted into a 38-story condo with Central Park views, and Trump Palace, a 55-story skyscraper on 3rd Avenue, once the tallest on the Upper East Side. Another significant project was the Trump International Hotel and Tower in Chicago, finished in 2009. This 92-story building became the second tallest in the city. Located by the Chicago River, it features a sleek design with glass and stainless steel. The building uses advanced techniques to withstand strong winds and includes eco-friendly features like a river water cooling system. This project cemented Trump's reputation as a visionary in luxury real estate. He didn't just stick to New York and Chicago. He expanded his real estate empire globally. He worked on projects in Las Vegas, Miami, Dubai, and other cities. He built the Trump International Hotel in Las Vegas, a 64-story tower that shines with gold and glass amid the desert. The hotel became a symbol of luxury and comfort in the city. In Dubai, he helped create the Trump International Golf Club, which quickly became one of the most exclusive golf clubs in the world. Donald Trump's business ventures went beyond real estate. In the 1990s, he invested heavily in Atlantic City's casino industry to broaden his business and boost his finances. His casinos include the Trump Taj Mahal, Trump Plaza, and Trump Marina. However, despite their flashy appearance, poor management led to massive debt. By the early 1990s, he struggled with around $900 million in debt, putting him on the brink of bankruptcy and at risk of losing his properties and business. Instead of letting things spiral, he took charge. He engaged in complex negotiations with creditors and banks, proposed a plan to restructure his debt, and developed a financial recovery strategy. Over the next 5 years, he used his negotiating skills and strategic thinking to avoid bankruptcy. By 1995, Trump began to regain his financial stability and continued expanding his business. Donald Trump entered politics after getting his finances back on track in the 1990s. In 2016, he ran for president as a Republican. Despite doubts from many, his campaign won strong support, and he became the 45th president in January 2017. His presidency included tax changes, pulling out of the Paris climate deal, and a debated immigration policy. After his term ended in January 2021, he stayed involved in politics, backing his supporters and criticizing his successor. In 2022, he announced he would run for president again in 2024. Moreover, Trump has had a big impact on business. His projects have changed cities, and his business strategies are taught in schools. He's also known for his charity work, but his foundation, the Donald J. Trump Foundation, was criticized and shut down in 2018 due to claims of misusing funds. Trump made a big mark on entertainment with his reality show, The Apprentice, which began in 2004. The show, where contestants tackled business tasks, became very popular. Trump's catchphrase, "You're fired," was so famous that he trademarked it and used it on merchandise like t-shirts and hats. The show's success led to a celebrity version and versions in over 30 countries. Trump also had small roles in movies and TV shows, such as Home Alone 2 and Sex and the City. In 2007, he received a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame for his work on The Apprentice. His star has been vandalized several times, reflecting his controversial public image. Trump also faced criticism, especially over Trump University, which was accused of offering poor-quality courses. He settled lawsuits related to the university, but used the controversy to keep himself in the spotlight. His unique hairstyle also became a popular meme. Despite his busy career, Trump has always prioritized family and personal interests. He has been married 3 times. His first wife was Ivana Zelnikova, a Czech model with whom he had 3 children, Donald Jr., Ivanka, and Eric, who work in the family business. His second marriage was to actress Marla Maples, with whom he has a daughter, Tiffany. In 2005, he married Slovenian model Melania Knaus, and they have a son, Baron. Trump values family time and has a large collection of hats, showcasing his unique interests. He also enjoys playing golf, which he believes helps him think strategically. Interestingly, despite his wealthy image, he prefers simple foods like hamburgers and pizza, making him relatable to many people. Even as he gets older, Donald Trump stays active in business and looks ahead to new opportunities. He continues to invest in real estate and has been focusing on building golf resorts, seeing them as a chance to protect natural areas. Trump also strengthens his image by engaging with his audience on social media. In his business ventures, he increasingly depends on his children, Donald Jr., Ivanka, and Eric, who hold important roles in the Trump organization. Donald Trump's journey is a story of how ambition, hard work, and risk-taking can lead to big success. From building tall skyscrapers to creating hit TV shows, Trump has always aimed high and with passion. Trump's story shows that achieving great things is possible with dedication and self-belief. What do you think about his business style? What lessons do you find most valuable? Share your thoughts in the comment section. If you want to watch more inspiring stories, subscribe to the channel and tap the notification button to stay updated on the latest.